introduced for the 2017 model year, the 2018 Z650 offers exciting execution, simple taking care of, and lightweight mobility. New riders won't need to stress over exceeding the power too early, yet they ought to be watchful. This little Z has all that anyone could need: energy to set out and unsafe. Profoundly prescribed for devotees of bare bicycles all over, and certainly appreciated by this band specifically. This may very well be my next bicycle. It's more smoking and more damp in Columbus than this Canadian might suspect it should be in late September. The second day of AIMEXPO 2017 is arriving at its decision, and as the clock ticks towards early night, it's as yet 29 degrees Celsius, around 85 degrees for my American companions. At the end of the day, it's the ideal climate to go for a late evening ride. I'm a major enthusiast of lively, however not really super, bicycles, and the Z650, new for the 2017 model year, is on my short rundown to take for a tear. I have a great deal of adoration for Kawasaki. My first bicycle that I invested genuine seat energy in was a '99 Ninja 500R, and as a previous proprietor of the respected Suzuki SV650, I'm particularly quick to perceive how Kawasaki's parallel twin 649cc motor thinks about the V-twin in the SV.